Have you ever wondered why Tobey's Spider-Man was so relieved when the other Spider-Man cracked his back?
You want me to crack it?
Yeah.
You ready?
Yeah. That's good.
Most people think it's just a funny moment between the Spider-Men, but there might be a much more curious explanation. Because Spider-Man's body is so resilient that a regular chiropractor wouldn't even have the strength to adjust his back. But because Andrew's Spider-Man possesses super strength, he was finally able to give Tobey the adjustment he'd been needing for years.
That was it.
Wow. That's good.
Right?
That's better.
Yeah.
Wow.